just want to go over the shower system here. What I got here is a hot water heater. It's an instant hot water heater. Can you see that, Tara?
Mm-hmm.
Me and Tara's been camping out for 2.5 weeks, and we've managed to take a shower totally off grid. It's very interesting. We got a propane tank that we run the instant hot water heater off of. We keep 12 gallons of water, as you can two 6-gallon jugs. We put this hose into the jugs that runs off of that pump that runs to a 12 volt. I got a marine battery in here. Got that. And then all I'll do is while Tara takes a shower, plug it in. As you can hear it, it'll kick on. If you want to walk over here. It's instant hot water. It's hot right now. It took about, 20 seconds for me to get around there, and it's already warm. So, I bought that real quick before we run out of water.
And you can actually adjust it.
Yeah, you can. You can, like here's the heat. You can go, it gets so hot you can't even touch it. I bought this off Amazon for 44 bucks before our trip. I bought the Camplux hot water heater off Amazon for I think $209, was it?
Mm-hmm.
And then Tara bought the jugs at Walmart, and I bought the battery and the pump come with the whole system. So I got about 300 bucks in the whole shower system. So not bad. And I also stored in a Pelican case. I just stick it all in there, and we run it out of these bags here. Been on the road 2.5 weeks and it works great.